Imagine setting up your event bar in under 1 hour. No tools, no stress, just seamless style and function, ready when you are. This is Fluxe Bar, a fully modular, foldable bar system that's lightweight, reusable, and ready to adapt anywhere. From weddings to corporate galas, indoors or out, the Fluxe Bar transforms any space into a branded experience. Custom panels, built-in lighting, interchangeable visuals. Create the vibe that reflects your brand's identity. More than just a bar, Fluxe is a multi-use service station. From cocktails to check-ins, it adapts to every need. Up to 20 meters of bar packed into just 3 square meters. Easy to transport, designed for repeated use, event after event. Polished, professional, endlessly versatile.
Fluxe Bar is your plug-and-play solution for unforgettable experiences. Fluxe Bar, a modular bar system with endless possibilities.